Just a short video to show you how to put together the flow bows that are supplied with our colour theme bags. In this instance they're pink and they're a lovely sort of baby pink to match the wording on the bags. So flow bows, in case you aren't aware of them, are a neat little trick used by florists. You can get these from florist wholesale suppliers. If you bought our hen party bags, you'll have yours supplied with the bag. Okay, so at one end it's sealed and at the other it's open, and you find the two ends and simply pull the bow into shape. Now you need to keep it from getting twisted or it will break before it's formed the full bow. And in case that happens, I will have supplied you with a couple of spares. So hopefully you're going to have enough. So make sure that's tight, and then this is where having a spare hand person can come in helpful. So what you want to do is tie this in a knot, well actually a double knot, to keep it in place. Make sure that the bow is as compressed as you want it to be with that knot. Okay, so you have your bow. I prefer to double knot them when I'm making these from my friends, and just add them to the bag. So we have our bride-to-be bag. And our bow. Tie it in position. Around. I tie it around just one handle because that way you can get into the bag easily. And again, tie it in a double knot. Turn it so that it's the right way up. And then the trick to making these ends curly is a pair of scissors. Being careful not to cut yourself. Apply the scissors to one side of the strand and pull the blade all the way down, and you get a nice curly piece of ribbon. It just makes it look finished. Oops. And then what you do, bring them through so they look they're in the right place, and cut them to a length that you're happy with. Discard the rest. And then what you can also do to finish these ends is either cut them at an angle or fold and give them a nice end. And those are the ultimate cheap bow for your bag.